America was awesome, such a good time, awesome views, beautiful people, just good old fun times. But I tell you what, it's awesome to be home, back in my own yard, and let's just get this season kicked off, eh? Back from the States trip, good to be home. Lawn is a bit long. I've only mowed it once since I've been back because family's been a bit sick, I've been a bit sick. So today, just gonna tidy up this yard, and then it's windy too today. And then go mow up the TifTuf out the front. Quick tour before we get into this mow. When I was away, obviously I didn't get much watering done, and some spots dried out and sort of died off. Luckily some shoots coming back there. As you can see, that was completely dead before, so we've got some shoots coming back, but it's still is not the best. Sorry about this wind, guys, I just can't help it. Today's a really high fire danger actually, and windy and dry, and it's not fun. And then yeah, it dried off there as well, so there's a couple of spots like that. I'm going to try and pre-germinate some seeds to get those areas to come back, so I'll show you guys the process of that once I've done a bit of a trial run, because I've never actually done it before, but doing a trial run now, so I'll show you guys the results once I've done that. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. So I am going to change the height of cut today, a little bit taller, just to retain a bit of moisture in this grass here, because of, it's getting hotter. So I might go up to about 15 mil, I'm about 12 mil at the moment. I'll tell you what, I need to start mowing my lawn more regularly now and start getting some plant growth regulated down, because the lawn is looking a bit stressed because it's not getting mown that often. Like once a week at the moment, which is not good because it's growing, so time to kick it back up again. Right, it's a bit hotter than I originally thought, so I might just put these shorts on. Like that.
Letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last.
Whoa! Should check fuel beforehand. It's right, I filled it up.
You're always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been, it's worse and lonely. Cause someone tell me they see good in me, there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all, since you left me. Struggle, baby, I see pain, cause I got nothing. Cause someone tell me they see good in me, there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, yeah. Ooh, isn't it strange we turn to strangers? You've erased all your pictures on your phone. Ooh, your final words on a piece of paper.
Alright, that is done. Like a quadruple cut because I went over it so many times. Looks good though. I do love it when it is just that little bit taller, because those stripes sort of just pop out a little bit more. Sorry about the wind, guys. As you can see, windy day, really high fire danger today. That's actually smoke from the fires. That's not clouds coming in, so it's not good at all. Tomorrow's supposed to cool off and not be windy, so it'll be good. But yeah, look at that. Woo, crispy. Let's look at the back just quickly. Man, have a look at that. Oh, yeah, looking good. There's a bit of power in a couple of spots. It is dying out from the heat, but yeah, it's a bit of power. I should have really put down a pre-emergent winter or autumn, but I didn't because I had some new seed out. Should have just put it down anyway, because there's a bit of it anyway. It'll die out. Man, crispy crisps. Let's get this mower out of here. and let's go cut this TifTuf, hey?
I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah.
Right, so here's the TifTuf. So when I was away, this didn't get any water, and after that renovation probably wasn't smartest of ideas to not put any water in it after I put some sand down, so it did dry out a bit, but it is now creeping back in. I've given it like, I think it's given it 1 hand water since I've been back. Two hand water, sorry. So you can see it's all starting to repair now and spread into those areas, which is good. A little bit of ryegrass in a couple of areas. There's a bit of wintergrass as well, but that died out as soon as it got no water for like nearly 3 weeks. But yeah, it's creeping in, it's doing its thing. So it's time to start bringing this height down on this bad boy. Well, at least start cutting it regularly, so I get to start. It starts to creep sideways because you haven't been cutting it much at all. Done. So I actually got a little bit off, not heaps. That was on the same height as it was when I did the reno, so didn't really scalp it, which is good. That's not scalp spots, that's just spots that have filled in from the sand. So I'm not going to use the real mower now because I've noticed how much sand is still there, so I'll hold off. So normally when you do your first reno, guys, when you do your reno, so when you go to do your first cut, always try to use a rotary afterwards, because there will be a bit of sand about, and if there is still a bit of sand about like this here, I highly recommend that you keep using a rotary until it starts filling in. Now I'm probably going to push some granular fert on here and my special mix, bit of liquid fert, just to help promote some growth sideways, some lateral growth, and actually keep up with watering now. And it should start to really spread. I mean, it's already started to spread heaps into those little gaps. Sorry about the wind, it's shocking today. But yeah, that's about it. I'll give it a quick whippy on the edges and then we'll be done. I'm struggling to realize it's true. Tell you what, I'm still loving this thing. It's awesome. It is great. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to wrap it up because it's getting windier for some reason. I think it'll start getting a bit less windy in the afternoon, but actually no, it normally does get windier in the others. Anyway, in the morning it'll be good. But yeah, keen to get this going to show you guys how I turn this into a putting green. It's going to take a little bit of time, but we're going to get there because, you know, we're probably at about, well, I'd say it's probably at about 12 mil at the moment, maybe even 15 mil. Should really get a tape measure out and measure it. Might do that soon. But tomorrow I'm going to shoot another video, tomorrow or the next day, on how to save water in the drought and what you can apply to your lawn to help it out to get it through drought conditions. Because I tell you what, with the water restrictions around at the moment, we all need a couple of extra tips here and there. So I'm going to show you guys how I keep this going when I've got a little bit less water because of the water restrictions. So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Huge shout out to all the guys that have me in the States as well. Now that I'm back, I just want to really say a huge thanks. Huge shout out to the Australian Lawn Fanatics as well for sending me some spending money to use while I was there. I really appreciated that, guys. So make sure you check out their YouTube channel, guys, and their Facebook page. I'll link the YouTube channel down below. But anyway, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Oh, lovely timbers. That's how windy it is.